If you've searched online for quick personal loans in 2026, you may have seen ads or videos talking about the Moneycontrol loan app. Some people claim you can get instant loans with just a few taps on your phone, while others warn that certain loan apps are scams. So the big question is the Moneycontrol loan app real, or could it be fake? Let's break it down clearly. First, it's important to understand what Moneycontrol actually is. Moneycontrol is a well-known financial news and investment platform, mainly used for tracking stock markets, financial news, and personal finance information. The app itself is legitimate and widely used by investors. However, when it comes to loans, Moneycontrol is not actually a lender. Instead, it works more like a loan marketplace that connects users with partner lenders, such as banks or NBFCs, non-banking financial companies. Through the platform, users may be able to explore personal loan offers and apply digitally through partner institutions. These loans are typically unsecured personal loans, meaning you don't need collateral, and the application process can be completed online with digital KYC verification. So in that sense, Moneycontrol itself is real. But that doesn't mean every loan offer using the name is safe. One of the biggest problems today is that many fake loan apps copy the names of well-known financial platforms to trick people into trusting them. Scammers often create apps or websites that look legitimate and promise instant loans with very little verification. For example, some fake loan services claim your loan is already approved and then ask you to pay a processing fee before receiving the money. Once the payment is made, the scammers disappear. Legitimate lenders normally deduct fees from the loan amount after approval, not before. There are also cases where suspicious loan apps request access to contacts, photos, or other private data on your phone. In extreme situations, these apps may misuse that information to harass borrowers or their contacts if payments are delayed. Because of this, financial experts recommend verifying several things before applying for any loan through an app. Check whether the lender is registered with financial regulators such as the Reserve Bank of India. Make sure the app provides clear loan terms, interest rates, and repayment details. Never pay upfront fees before the loan is approved. Download apps only from official app stores and verified websites. So, is the Moneycontrol loan app real or fake in 2026? The honest answer is, Moneycontrol itself is a legitimate financial platform, but it doesn't directly give loans. It only connects users with partner lenders. Because of that, you still need to verify the actual lender offering the loan and be careful about fake apps pretending to be related to Moneycontrol. In short, the platform can be real and useful, but scammers sometimes misuse the name, which is why you should always double-check before applying for any loan online. If you want, I can also help you with 5 signs a loan app is a scam in 2026. Knowing these can save people from losing money online.